Michael, thank you. Well, 11 cases of monkeypox reported in Oklahoma, 4 of them in the northeastern part of the state.
Yeah, local and state leaders say aside from a rash, symptoms include fever, headache, muscle ache, chills, and fatigue. They say right now most of the cases they're seeing are associated with close and intimate or sexual contact. However, health officials say a simple handshake with someone who has lesions on their hands can spread the virus as well. That is why they say vaccines are very important. Right now, the CDC has approved 2 vaccines for the prevention of monkeypox. The federal government allocated 5,555 doses of a vaccine for the state of Oklahoma. Well, of those, the State Department of Health has requested 436. But since each vaccine requires 2 doses, right now the state only has enough supply to treat 213 people fully. The state health department, Department of Health that is, says the vaccine requires specific handling and storage, so the state's requests those as it sees necessary.
The treatments really are reserved for individuals who are symptomatic and either at high risk for severe complications or are positive.
And while the World Health Organization recently said more than 90% of cases among gay and bisexual men, health experts say anybody can be exposed. And while we do wait for the wastewater data, we wanted to look at how wastewater testing is being used to detect the virus here.
Yeah, we've heard a lot about this with COVID-19 as well. 2 News Oklahoma's Amanda Slee walks us through that process. Amanda.
Good morning, Corey and Justin. I spoke with OU health officials who say they are hard at work wastewater testing. Our sister station in Las Vegas has also been tracking the testing of monkeypox through wastewater, providing an inside look at the process. Here's a look inside one of the labs at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas. An associate professor and his team are using sewage water to determine the connection between infections and people.
All of us have to go to the bathroom, and because monkeypox virus is a virus that can be secreted into urine, into fecal matter, it's in skin lesions. So when you shower or when you use the bathroom, it's going to enter into our sewage.
This means that health researchers can go into a manhole or a wastewater treatment plant to sample sewage. Once they do that, they can detect how many are in a certain how much of that virus is in a certain community. Again, OU health officials tell me they have started wastewater testing in Oklahoma. We'll bring you the most up-to-date data once it becomes available.
All right, Amanda Slee reporting on wastewater testing. Thank you very much.